is a new project I got going here. This is my first corner shelf I'm building. Got to be a little challenge there trying to get this board attached to the backing of the board here in the corner because I don't have my pair of hands and nobody else's. So had to lean up best I could and screwed it in with wood screws down on the outside seam. So now I got to figure out to get the shelves. Got one laying on the floor here, so I got to figure out how I'm gonna cut them and put the shelves in there. What I'll do next is I'll run some, once I get past all that mess, I'll run some trim around the edges here, make it look a little more decorative. This is gonna be stained in an ebony or espresso, make it look sort of black. I've done some work for a lady that's I built some furniture for us the same color, so I'm gonna. This is all pre-sanded plywood, so I just had to sand it with a 120 grit sandpaper. I'll pre-stain all of it and I'll put the stain on it, but that's quite a ways down the road from on this part of the video. All right, in this short bit of time, it took me about maybe 2-3 hours. I've completed the corner shelf now. All I got left to do is patch the little nail holes and do some more sanding and pre-stain and then stain. But this is what it's looking like right now. Right here. The lighting's so bad back here, you really can't see it that good. But here's the shelves. They're all in the, of course, corner shelves. And what I did was I made little trim pieces to go around the outside part of the wood, all the way up and down the sides. This will all be stained as well. Got to sand it still. Just little trim pieces to cover all the rough cuts. Got it glued on there and then brad nailed on there. This is about 6 1/4 tall. And then I put the baseboard on the bottom to close off that gap between the bottom shelf and the floor. Of course, the back, which ain't really gonna matter because that's gonna be up against the wall. But next step is to patch holes, pre-stain, sand, pre-stain, and then stain with either espresso or ebony. I can't remember which one I used on her other furniture, but I'll find out. But this is the corner shelf so far.